My name is Lucas, and today we're gonna be drawing a tank. So let's begin. First, draw the circles about 4 or 5, like this. Next, draw a rect or long oblong around them, like this. Next, draw 2 half circles at the end and little circles in between the big circles, like this. Next, draw a rectangle above the tank for the body, like this. Next, draw a thinner one at the back, like this. Next, draw another triangle on top of it, and then put a long triangle on its front facing upwards, like this. Next, draw a square at the end of the rectangle and a small rectangle shaped like a brick on top of the other rectangle, like this. Next, the shade in the wheels or color in the wheels with black or gray, like this. Next, draw lightly at the bottom of your tank, like this. Next, just draw shade under it, like that, like this. And if you want, you can make it in real life if you just copy it at the bottom. Upside down too. Like this. And you can color it any way you want, and you can put camouflage. like this. And now you can color it any way you want, as I said a while ago, and you can add any other detail to it, or draw and add some stuff on it, and make sure. And that's how you draw a tank. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.